Hey guys, I'm here with my new GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition. I'm filming at 2.7K at 60 frames a second. So, just a little test. There's my new deck. They're still working on it. We had a bunch of rain and they've had some staffing problems, but yeah, that's the deck and pergola. So, seeing how this turns out. Got the mic hooked up in the helmet because you have to have on this special adapter to make it work, and also to have external power. Right now I'm just running off the GoPro battery, but future I have a cable coming tomorrow for extension. Didn't know this was USB-C, and I didn't have any USB-C cables, so not expensive, just a hassle, something else to order. So remember that if you're getting a GoPro Hero 5, probably anything 6, 7, it's probably going to be USB-C. So just note that. Okay guys, take care. Thanks for watching.